17-year-old Tuisova got the pass away. Tuisova picking it up again. Here goes Nandi too. That's wonderful skills from Tuisova. Can he control this well? Oh, I don't think he did. And Vadukola comes away with it, but the referee right there, and he's given the penalty try. This is Sonaka, who will kick off the third elimination on day 2 of the 36th Fiji Bidder Maris Sevens. And if you're watching anywhere in the world, welcome to our coverage. And the try here for wonderful work. Oh, they gel together so well. The pass good, and just a break, and then foot back on the accelerator. Wonderful. Josua Tuisova. Conversion is good. Backline was Henry the halfback, taken in position is and 2 converted tries. Sonaka unbeaten in pool play yesterday, and now looking to add another victory to their name. Make their way deep into the Sonaka territory at all. This is the first time probably they're inside the Sonaka territory. 2 wide. The 3 matches that I watched for the Fiji Barbarians, they lacked in aerial ball contest. They lacked very badly in that area. And 2 wide. Moisia did well to take that forward. Young fella will be a matured player when it comes to Rio 2016. Sonaka 22 and Tuisova tried to get over that. Referee says no, you knocked it on. Was it a knock on first by Sonaka? But benefit of the doubt there. Sonaka have the scrum. Just watch that. Came through. Oh, just. Yes, he couldn't ground them. That would have been points to nil. 2 tries, 2 converted tries. As Sonaka now trying to get away. Here's the young blood of Nandi. Watch the support play. Villamengandolo, so much confidence, and the run around and the try. Sonaka, and they lead by 19 points to nil. Moisia Nadugu has been the mainstay of the Sonaka side. They need to score early points. Anywhere in the Americas, also all of Inaka. Pure 2 wide, did well, is all lost through by Sonaka. Chance here for Tuisova. Action in big tournaments, and I remember a long time ago they had some big players, and if you were around that time and you're watching this coverage, you'd remember the likes of Ilaitia Ravovau, who was known as the Small Legs, or even Lysenia Kato. Will certainly remember how they suffered when they were thumped in the Fair Brother Sullivan match here at Lawanga Park. Nandi is fielding a very young side. Samu takes it up very well. Good work. Simoni Nandore, the captain of Vadukola 2. Now on 10 meters inside the Nandi territory. Vadukola get it out. Good run. Now holding on. And still going. Matai. Ball lost in. Nandi try and come away with it. Looking for support. Lutu and then Joe Twindraki. Ball lost through by Vadukola. Mistakes by Vadukola too. In possession, they've lost the ball on occasions. Velimoni for Nandi too. Yeah. 17-year-old Tuisova got the pass away. Tuisova picking it up again. Here goes Nandi too. That's wonderful skills from Tuisova. Can he control this well? Oh, I don't think he did. And Vadukola comes away with it, but the referee right there, and he's given the penalty try to Nandi too. 17-year-old Josua Tuisova took on the Vadukola to defense himself, and as he tried to go down to get the ball, good call by the referee. Vadukola player took him out without the ball. The penalty try converted. Nandi 2 leads by 7 points to nil. He's up now. So 17 years old, playing on the big stage. He showed exceptional skills. That's the sort of players we've got. We only hope they are nurtured. Looping straight in for Lesavua. Waisia. Oh, under pressure. Nandi, get it away, Waisia. Lost through. Position turned over is Nandi now sent in Felipe. Apanisa Suka setting it up. The tackle was good. Nandi defense will be tested here. Sakiusa looking for it. Now it's now Nandi 2. Handed it off just outside. Unfortunate. They start the second half. Tuisova, the try scorer for Nandi. Vadukola handing it straight through, and a big run by Samu, but Felipe couldn't take it well. He makes the tackle as Vadukola look for it. Penalty for Vadukola. Deliberate knock through by Nandi. 7 points all. Ravovo couldn't get out of that. In trouble, the Nandi side. Tuisova. Looking for support. Now Nandi need to press forward. The pass is good. Vadukola get up in defense. They can stretch it over here if he can get away. Well, this is 3-on-1. Nandi can finish this off. And Samu made a mess of that one. They could have done the easy stuff with the pass away in the race, and when he finally decided to get the pass away to Filippo Nakosi, the captain, dropped through by the captain. He wouldn't be happy with himself. The 19-year-old from Nandi.
Injured over 18-year-old Josua Tuisova, who hurt his leg in Fiji's first pool match against Scotland on Friday.
Ça revient dans les mains d'Armitage avec le soutien de son frère Stéphane Armitage. Allez Williams. Avant toujours pour les Toulonnais. Castro Giovanni avec Wilkinson.
Il est passé. Il est passé.
Il a plus trop les jambes pour s'engager, mais il a trouvé Mermoz. Et ça enchaîne. Avec Gould qui résiste au plaquage, qui est repris par Otosoko, mais qui a le soutien de Rosso. Le fermé avec Wilkinson qui est toujours là. La Suns, Castro Giovanni.
Ça défend côté bayonnais.
Mermoz. On va écarter maintenant sur Tuisova.
Il est passé. Tuisova, c'est un flèche Fijian qui a réussi à capter cette balle, à prendre l'intérieur et qui après avec son pas de loi a accéléré pour marquer cet essai. C'est vraiment pas gagné. Alors, on revoit ça. Mermoz, Smith qui saute à Lee Williams, le ballon rebondit, voilà, sur la prise de balle il prend intérieur et après il accélère bien extérieur, speeding du moyen fait.
17-year-old Tuisova got the pass away. Tuisova picking it up again. Here goes Nandi too. That's wonderful skills from Tuisova. Can he control this well? Oh, I don't think he did. And Badukola comes away with it, but the referee right there, and he's given the penalty try. No, he's up now. So 17 years old, playing on the big stage. He showed exceptional skills.